When building software with NonBios, you might sometimes encounter issues where things don't work as expected. Maybe a button won't click or graphics won't load. Don't worry, these are common issues and they're easy to fix once you know how. Here's something important to understand. NonBios is an AI software developer that works in a private Linux environment. It can write code, install packages, and debug issues. But there's one thing it can't do. It can't actually see your browser the way you can. NonBios doesn't know what's rendering on your screen. So when something goes wrong visually, you need to be its eyes and ears. Fortunately, your browser captures all errors in its developer console. By sharing these error messages with NonBios, you give it the crucial context it needs to understand what's broken and fix it automatically. Let me show you exactly how to do this with two real examples. In this first example, NonBios built a BMW M4 Component Analyzer. When we open the application, we can see the interface, but the main 3D graphics aren't loading. There's an error message on screen that says, "Failed to load application." Let's find out what's really going on. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the menu. This opens the browser's developer tools. Click on the Console tab at the bottom. Here you can see the actual errors that are preventing the application from working properly. Look, there are several JavaScript errors here. We can see messages like uncaught syntax error and failed to initialize BMW M4 Analyzer. These are the clues NonBios needs. Now, simply select all the error text, right-click and copy it. Then head back to your NonBios chat window and paste these errors directly into the conversation. NonBios will analyze these errors, understand what went wrong in the code it wrote, and automatically fix the issues. Here's another common scenario. NonBios built an AI and machine learning upskilling platform. The interface looks good. We can see the welcome modal and the form, but when we try to click the Continue to Detailed Assessment button, nothing happens. Again, the solution is the same. Right-click on the page and select Inspect. Open the Console tab in the Developer Tools. Here, we can see there are JavaScript errors. We can see messages like uncaught syntax error, unexpected token, and warnings about Tailwind CSS configuration. These errors are preventing the button's click handler from working properly. Copy all these error messages. Just select them, right-click, and copy. Now paste them into your NonBios chat. Give NonBios this context, and it will debug and fix the code that's causing the button malfunction.